Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to check your Gmail login devices. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Google Chrome browser. So first of all, you need to open up your Google Chrome or any browser that you have on your computer or laptop. And then you can go to the Google account, manage your Google account, and in this menu, you need to go to the security. Okay, then here you can scroll down until you find your devices, and these are the devices I'm signed in, and you can click on manage all devices. And if you want to remove the device remotely, you just need to click on the device like this, and then you can click on sign out, and it will remove your Google account from the device. Okay guys, and that's all the way to check your Gmail login device. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!